Pasadena Dispatch, what is?
Yes, this is Sentriforce Operator 3056. I'm calling about a trespass at 4116 Pasadena Boulevard.
Okay.
Yeah, it appears to be a male on the site, and there should be no individuals on the site. He's just walking around. I did engage the alarm system, active live monitoring, and he's still walking around.
So it set off an alarm.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and you said it's construction site.
Correct.
Okay, and what was the time of the hit?
2231.
Alrighty, we'll have officers dispatch to 4116 Pasadena Boulevard.
Thank you so
All
much.
right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.